Hello trader, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to trade the Deriv synthetic indices on TradingView. If you have been trading with the MetaTrader 5 or the MetaTrader 4, I don't know how to trade the synthetic indices on TradingView, or I don't know how to get it at all, then this video is for you. Just stick to it from the beginning to the end. You learn a lot. So guys, let's go back to the screen.
All you need to do is just go to your browser, whether Chrome, Opera Mini or anyone. Just type in this the tradingview.deriv.com. That's what you type. Then once you type on it, then it will load all these domain names for you. The one you go for is the one that has chart.deriv.com. Once you hit on it, it will load the charts for you exactly the way it is. Do you understand? Like in TradingView app, you cannot access synthetic indices on TradingView because Deriv is not connected to TradingView. So what you need to do is just go to your Chrome, type in what I say you should type, and then this will pop out. So if in case you don't know how to use it, let me just give you a quick review on how to do it. The first one is the crosshair and the dots. Let's say you want to use the dots. This is what you use to navigate through the charts the way you want it to be. So if you don't want to use dots, you can easily use the second one, which is the arrow. You understand? So if you don't like arrow, you can use eraser. Just anyone I just want to use and be controlling the charts. But for me, I like using the crosshair because it shows me the candlestick, where the candlestick is, and then the time. Then the next one is the trend lines. So in this trend line, just all the lines, whether trend line, horizontal line, all the lines, parallel line, this is where you get it from. So anyone that I would like using, go ahead and use it. You understand? To analyze your charts. That's how it is in your trading view. This one is for speculation. You understand? Or sorry, this is for Fibonacci retracement. So for those who want to learn how to use Fibonacci retracement, I have the video. And if you go to the description of this particular video, then I will drop it there. Go ahead and watch it. Some people actually use this Fibonacci retracement to catch an entry and also an exit. So if you want to learn how to use the Fibonacci retracement, I have the video. So that's just it. This place is where you can edit it, but for now, let me just remove it. Do you understand? Click on that delete button. Then the next one is this particular one. I don't actually use it. I think it will be more complex, so I can't advise you to use it. The next one is this for long position, short position. Do you understand? That's the thing I use here. So if you want to go for a buy, you can use it to check the expectation. I'm expecting for a buy, then set it, and then set the place where you want your TP to be. That's just the work. And they also have for sell. Do you understand? But if you want to edit, you just click on your mouse and then or touch it in your phone, then this will pop out. Then you can edit anything you want to edit. Let's say the text, you can change the color of the text from white to red. I think I'm not even seeing anything, so let me just change it back to white. So that's just it. So you can change the other advanced settings also there, but let me just delete it for now. Then the next one is this place where there's brush icon. This is where you can get your arrow, different types of arrow, your rectangular shape. So let's say I always use this arrow to show direction. Do you understand? After analyzing my chart, I'll say that chart will go in this direction. That's work of that arrow. I also use rectangular shape here. I can draw it to show other block or other flow, the place the market will get to, and then there should be a rejection. Those of us that normally use support and resistance, other block, other flow. Look at, you can use this arrow and do it, this rectangular shape and do it. You can actually edit it, the color. I've changed it to white and it's not giving. Do you understand? Let me change it back to red because I like it red. Do you understand? You can also change the background color also by clicking here, and then let's say I want to change it to this particular color. You can see how it looks like. So I always go with red, the way it is in my trading in my MetaTrader 5. So I always go with red so that I will see it clearly. Then this one is the width. Do you understand how big you want the lines to be? If you click on 1, it will be more smaller. If you click on 3, 2, the more you go higher, the more it looks bigger. 3 is actually okay for me. So in this setting button, this one, that setting icon, this is where you do some advanced editing on the rectangular shape or any tool that is in the chart. So that's just it. But for me, I don't use all these things. So anyone you want to use, you can change the color, the width, everything you want to change is there. So this one, I have this lock button. If you click on it, it will lock this particular tools or anything that's in chart. Do you understand? To lock it there, you cannot edit it, you cannot move it around again. It will just be there. Do you understand? But if you want to move it around again, then you need to click on it and then go and untick that key. So for this plan, this is where you can copy the two, or clone means to double it. Why the deleting button? I've just cleared it. Deleting button is just to delete it. So let me remove this arrow. Click on the delete button and then delete icon, and it is gone. You can see that this shape is here because this was last night I pressed. Let me say I pressed on arrow. You see arrow is not the last thing. So the last thing you click on is what will appear there in case we need it again. You understand? That's it. So now let's go to text. So if you want to add text to your chart, you want to explain something, that's the place you can see it. I wonder what's funny. I cannot be adding emoji. So if you want to add emoji, good. So this one is the rule. Do you understand? This rule is just to show what happened within the particular period, how many candlesticks that has been formed, and what's the time. This is 12 candlesticks and it happened in 12 days. Do you understand, guys? So let me say I want to go down to 5 minutes time frame. Let me show you or something. In 5 minutes time frame now, I can get that arrow and then draw it from this particular place to this particular place. You can see they say 9 bars and then 45 minutes. Do you understand? That's just it. It shows the length and how many candlesticks or the time it took. The next one now is the zoom. Do you understand? Once you click on it and then zoom a particular candlestick, a particular place in the chart, whether candlestick or chart, then let me say it will zoom itself. Let me say I want to zoom here. Then you can see it has popped out and it is more bigger in the screen. Do you understand, guys? Click on the zoom out and it will disappear. This magnets, I don't know what it's used for, but this particular one where there's pencil and cross, once you click on it, this place where you can multiply any two you are using. You can see this is now 2 again. Do you understand? You can multiply it and use it several times. That's the work of that pencil and that key. Then the one that is only the key button, which is on now, once you click on it, you cannot move anything in the chart again. Any tool in the chart, you cannot move it again. But once you untick it, then you can move it freely. You understand? That's just the work. Then the one that has an eye is to hide the drawings, hide all the tools. If I click on it, all the tools have disappeared. Then if I click on it again, it will appear. Do you understand? That's just the work. Then let us go back to the time frames. These are the time frames. If you want to add more time frame, go to this draw down menu and you can see this one that has all these favorites is one that I use. So if you untick it, if you untick it, then it will disappear. If you tick it, it will. Let me untick this 30 minutes time frame. You see, it's no longer there. I want tick 15 minutes time frame as not my favorite. It's no longer there. Now let me tick it again. I'll tick 15 minutes time frame. It's now appeared. It have now appeared. Then 30 minutes time frame also appeared. So that's just the work of the time frame. So anyone that you use, just tick it as your favorite. It will appear there. And these are the ones that I use. The next one is the candlestick patterns. So these are the candlestick that I use. Anyone I want to use, just click on it. And then if you want to use lines, it's okay. This is for lines. This is how the lines will look like. But I myself, I use the normal candlesticks. I don't like complicating things. So this is just it. The next one is indicator. Click on indicator. This is just the moving indicator that I use. I use the moving average. So if I click on it, you can see it will appear. And I've already marked it as my favorite. So I use moving average for my analysis, the 100 moving average. So in case you want to edit this particular indicator, click on this arrow. You see this symbol? Just below the symbol, click on the setting. Then you can increase the period or you can reduce the period. Let me say I want to reduce the period to 5. You understand? Then I'll click on OK. And then you can see that the moving average is now in the chart. It's now smaller. Do you understand? Let me increase it again by clicking on that setting button and then add 6 and then click OK. You see it's now more bigger than the way it was before. That's just the work of the indicator. Do you understand? The next one is this symbol here. This one to undo. Once you click on it, what you've done previously will undo. You understand? Then the other one is redo. Just the way we normally use it to edit our videos. Undo and redo. As simple as that. That's just for the top. Okay, for this one where they wrote R25, this is the particular asset you are trading at a particular point in time. Do you understand? So you can add or remove it. Do you understand? So if I want to say, let's say I want to remove it, you can just take your mouse to that place and then remove it. Do you understand, guys? So let me say I remove 25. All the R, which is volatility, are there. Let me click on volatility 100. The chart will load instantly. So you can go ahead and analyze it, look out for your entry, execute and print your money. These are the list of assets that I trade. Do you understand, guys? If I want to remove it from this chart list, I will just click on this place, it will disappear. You understand? To make you view the charts very well. If you click on it again, it will still appear. Then the plus sign is where you add more assets to what you are trading. Do you understand? So if you want to add cryptocurrency, you can see all the cryptocurrency that is here. Stocks, indices, commodities, all of them are here. So let me say I want to add Bitcoin. Then I'll just click on Bitcoin. It will appear instantly on my watch list. Then let me go and show you. Look at it here. Do you understand? If I click on it, then the chart will load on the chart will load on the view. You understand? I can navigate through the time frame, either 15 minutes or any time frame of your choice. And then if you want to delete it, just take your mouse there, click on delete, and then it will disappear. I don't trade Bitcoin, so this is how it should be. This is how my watch list looks like. Saving means to save it in your gallery. Do you understand? Then this place where there is setting, if you click on it, this is more advanced. Like if you want to change the candlesticks color, then this place where you can do all those things. You understand, guys? So let me say I want to change the body of this candlestick from this particular color to another color. Then let me change white. You can see that there's a little change in the candlestick that's in the chart. Do you understand? So let me just bring it back to how it was before. Which color was that? Let me check. Is it here? No, it's not it. Let me check on that one. Okay, I think I've gotten it now. So that's just it. So next one is this particular space out. If you click on it, then the chart will be bold enough in the screen for you to navigate through it. Do you understand? So for now, if you want to cancel it, just take your mouse up and then click on that star button or cancel button to just take you back to how it was before. That's just the work. Then the next one is this camera icon that is here. This is where you can download your image, copy the link, open the tab, or use the image of your chart to tweet on X. You understand? That's just the work. This is where I copy my image and then drop signal for those in my community. Do you understand? Then this one that has a moon symbol, this is where you can change the color background from black or to white. As simple like that. So this is where they will try a demo, but there's no need for that. If you don't have an account with Deriv broker, the link to open an account with Deriv is in the description of this particular video. Go ahead and open an account with them. Then the next one now is this one that is below here. This shows you what happened. This shows what is happening at the chart at a particular point in time. You understand? So let's say what we have here is Euro USD and moving average in 15 minutes time frame. That's what is in the chart. Do you understand? Let's go back to my watch list and let me open another chart. I opened Australia USD. Do you understand? Then let's go back to that place. You see the charts. 15, you just change everything. It shows you what is happening in the chart at a particular point in time. That's just the work. Do you understand? So let's go back to our USD. So this was my trade and I dropped it in my Telegram community, and it was actually a profitable one. You can see where I dropped it, and everybody in our community printed from it. And this is how I always do it every day. And this analysis I did with them live here on YouTube. So if you want to see how I analyze my charts, just make sure to subscribe to this particular channel and then stay active. On Mondays, you will see how we do it and break down charts and make simple profit. Then at this particular place, I exited this particular position before this news came because we don't actually trade news. You understand, guys? So join us now.
If this video was helpful, I have learned how to analyze the synthetic indices, their currency pairs, the indices and the commodities on TradingView. Please do me just one favor by liking this my video and then subscribing to this particular channel. See my next video, guys. Bye.